My Harley Davidson Roadster Cafe Build Part 2. Let's get cracking. Good moto morning. Welcome to another episode of Kraken's Garage. I'm your host Eric, and on Kraken's Garage we discuss all good things on two wheels, to include motorcycles, three wheels, and also some scooter content. On today's episode, we're going to continue with the tail section build of my Roadster Cafe build that I'm working on. As luck would have it, the parts came in a little early, and I received them right around a week ago. So I was super excited to see that. They were scheduled to be delivered around the middle of February. We got the back ordered tail section to fit the US specs, and some other tidbits and wiring harnesses, a different tail light for the rear section of the build. All in all, about $115 in parts and bits to set this kit up. So let's get to it. Hey you in the back, wake up. I'm almost done here. Oh yeah. So there's a quick time lapse down and dirty. Didn't really have any challenges. It went together pretty smooth. When I put the inner fender inside in between the frame rails, I had to squeeze it together, and it was quite heavy metal, so that was a bit of a chore to get it pinched in enough to slip down in and then anchor the bolts in. I love the way it looks. I'll throw some pictures up here that are a little better than how I have it kind of cornered here in my garage to give you a better look of it. We're halfway done with the cafe build. Next up is the gas tank, and we have some delicate work to do on that because we're going to install a fuel sender and actually hook up a fuel gauge that directly wires into the OEM speedometer digital analog gauge. So good stuff coming up there. 2 thumbs up from me. I'm super pumped about this build so far. I still need to order the rear sets. Other than that, maybe some Olin suspension, front and rear, and then I'm done with it. We're about there. And you know what time it is. This week's shout out goes to SinisterClutch. Randy has 626 subscriptions to his channel. He has 99 videos out. He hails from Walton, Kentucky. He's rocking a 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special in charcoal satin. What's fascinating about that bike is he had gone to Sturgis and he bought that bike even though he lives in Kentucky. He bought that bike in Wyoming. He happened to see the bike at the dealership. They kicked around some numbers, got him where he wanted to be, and he rode it home. He has a lot of miles on that bike. No joke. He has a lot of miles on that bike. Randy is a IT tech, but he enjoys Harleys as well. Has a wonderful channel, and what I like about Randy is when he does a review on something, it isn't somebody that just opened up a box and said, hey, look at this widget, you need to go buy one. Randy just did a review on his Saddleman heated road sofa after putting 10,000 miles on it. So I believe Randy's qualified to talk about what works and doesn't work regarding that seat. Go check out Randy. He's a heck of a good dude. I fully support his channel and love his content. If you like him and you subscribe, please let him know that Kraken sent you. And there's my ghost dog, Bullet. He's here to remind me to wrap this video up. If you want to become a Patreon, the link is down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more in the future, hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner. And remember, folks, go riding. It's good for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Thank you for watching.